Hello everyone on Checkatrade. So this is Elite Pressure Washing here and gutter cleaning. This is some tarmac. It's a bit of a tarmac full restoration, so we'll do some tarmac sealing after that. But you can see we put down some surfactant soft wash down there. It's really soapy, got a lot of the grime out. I think it took about 6 or 7 wash downs for us to really get everything nice and perfect. The next day we came back and we laid down some tarmac restorer, and this one came out really well. That's Dan again, getting down and making sure the entire surface is clean. So if you're looking for your tarmac to be fully restored, let us know. We do jointing, and we do pointing, and we do full restorations.